go over it and name out the ingredients. We got parsley, cucumber, ginger, green apple, lemon. So all of these we are going to use to make this beautiful juice. Alright? So stay tuned in and let's do this one. Welcome back again, guys. This morning we're going to show you how you can make yourself a lovely green juice. Number one, we have cucumber, ginger, lemon and lime and parsley and green apple. Now this is not a normal thing. We're talking about gut health, skin look. I don't but anyway, a good vibes. Stay tuned in, guys. We're gonna show you how to make this one. Look at this. So we're starting off with the lemon, parsley, cucumber, ginger and green apple. We're gonna blend them right now. Let's do this. Guys, that's the book right here. It's amazing, beautiful one. Yeah, a good vibes. Let's go over it and name out the ingredients. We got parsley, cucumber, ginger, green apple, lemon. So all of these. The first thing what we're going to do is put lemon, right? Green apple, ginger, cucumber, all right, and a large portion of parsley. Look at that. Down inside of it, we're gonna add the rest of the remaining ingredients. I think I cut them chunky, but it's all good. Everything whole inside of it like this. Look at that. Amazing. Next thing, hot water. Not too much water, roughly about half cups. Then we're going to put on the lid. Then this is how it looks. Okay, now we're going to blend it and make some noise. Before we blend, quickly talk about our book. You can get it on Amazon, 50% off. Okay, this is a book and a lot of people still asking where can I get it. It's right there, 50% off on Amazon. Get yourself a copy. Let's blend it, and what we're going to do is pour it off. Now, you don't have to strain it. You can drink it naturally. Yeah. Then use a spoon. Get that, sieve it out a little bit. This is good, really good. But okay, all right. So as I said many times, it's really good. You guys don't have to throw this. You can use it for a lot more things. Next time I'll show you how to do that one. Wow, now look at that. Beautiful green juice. All right, let's pour it off. So this is it right here, what we are waiting for. Now you can drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. You can drink it during the day. Whatever time you feel like to drink, you can drink it. So guys, enjoy it. And this is a healthy breakfast for you guys in the morning. Okay, stay blessed. My green juice from Chef Ricardo Cooking. So leave your comments and tell me what you guys think about this and an amazing recipe this morning. All right, I try my best to give you something fantastic every morning as much as I can. Do you like what I do? Leave your comments and let me know. Really appreciate every one of you guys who are watching this morning. All right, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and stay blessed. Good vibes, and I will see you. So you can see that's the green juice we just made. Fantastic and an amazing one for me this morning to you guys. All right, so yeah, we got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas like these coming for you. Okay, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Stay blessed.